Exploring the cosmos. English vocabulary for space travel. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're taking our English language journey to a new level, literally to the outer space. This lesson is all about space travel vocabulary. Let's dive in and learn some words and phrases related to space travel that will help you talk about this exciting topic. First, let's start with the most fundamental terms related to space travel. Astronaut, a person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft. In Russian, they're called cosmonauts. Spaceship or spacecraft, the vehicle used to travel in space. Launch, the process of sending a spacecraft into space. Orbit, the path that a spacecraft follows around a planet, moon, or sun. Space station, a large spacecraft in space where astronauts can live for a long time. Now that we've covered the basic terms, let's move on to some terms that are more specifically related to exploring space. Probe, a spacecraft that is sent to space without people, to collect information. Rover, a small vehicle that moves around on the surface of a planet or moon. Telescope, a tool that allows us to see distant objects like stars and galaxies. Observatory, a place where people use telescopes and other tools to observe outer space. Lastly, let's look at some useful phrases for discussing space travel. Blast off, when a spaceship leaves the ground. The spaceship blasted off at dawn. Touchdown, when a spacecraft lands on the surface of a planet or moon. The rover touched down on Mars. Walk in space or spacewalk, when an astronaut goes outside their spacecraft while in space. The astronaut performed a spacewalk to repair the spaceship. Liftoff, the moment a spacecraft begins to rise for launch. The liftoff was successful and the astronauts are now in space. And that's it for our journey into the language of space travel. We hope this video was a blast and you feel ready to discuss space travel in English. Remember, learning is like exploring space. It's a continuous journey. Keep exploring, keep learning, and you'll reach the stars in no time.